After someone we love dies or someone who we've been caring for dies, it is really normal and really common for our brains to start to come up with like reasons or questions of why our person died. My name is Katie Duncan. I'm a nurse practitioner and an end of life coach. Oftentimes, in the moments or the days or even the weeks after our person dies, we start to question all of these things. We ask the woulda, coulda, shoulda questions. We ask all the what if questions, like, if only I had taken them to the doctors earlier, maybe they wouldn't have died. Or what if we had tried this treatment? Maybe that would have worked and they would still be here. We also start to like really focus in on like those last moments right before they died. So you might be thinking, like, I gave them that morphine right before they died. Was it my fault? Or I turned them on their side right before they died. Was it my fault? Or I was sitting at their bedside all the time and I finally left and they died when I was gone. Was that my fault? And these thoughts can often make us feel really guilty. We find ourselves blaming ourselves for our person's death. And that's really a normal part of grief. The thing is that death is unpredictable. It is uncontrollable. And our brains are prediction machines. They hate anything unpredictable. They hate anything uncontrollable. And so it's a lot easier for our brains to come up with reasons, even when those reasons aren't actually true, than to accept the reality of death. And so if this is you, I think it's really important for you to hear that your person's death was not your fault. And there is nothing that you could have done that would have changed the outcome. One really easy way to reframe this situation is to replace your what ifs with even if. So even if you had done this, they still would have died.